Okay, either I'm tripping or there's a light bulb burned out and a turn signal either in the front or the back. Hopefully it's the turn signal, because it hasn't been that kind of a day. Well, that's what a normal set of turn signals sounds like, but if you get the fast flashing, that usually means a bulb's burned out. So let's go check it out and replace that bulb. So this is the 2010 Chevy Cobalt LT. We're going to figure out which turn signal bulb is burned out and get to replacing it. So turn the turn signal on. It's working in front, so it must be the back. Let's go check it out. And sure enough, the one in the back's not flashing. So let's replace that bulb. So here's a new bulb. It's a model 3157. That's the number. It's a dual filament bulb, which means the turn signal works independent of the brake light and the tail light, and that's why you can have brake lights working but a blinker not working. So let's get this new bulb in there. Okay, so you've got to remove the tail light assembly to replace the bulb. So you've got two fasteners here, 9/32 socket, and take those things right out. All right, got those two screws out, and oh, nope, it does not come out because there's more on the inside. Up here at the top in the trunk is this that you need to remove by hand. It's loose, but it still doesn't come out because there's one more behind the carpet. So you have to pull the carpet back. And then there is one more fastener up here that uses a 10mm socket, but not a socket unless you have a deep well. So you need to use a 10mm wrench or a pair of pliers to get that one off. So to recap, two screws, one hand tight nut on the back and one nut that needs a 10mm to get off. And then this will just pull free. And this big bulb is what that we're going to be replacing. So that's just a quarter turn, and it comes right out. Pull the bulb out, push the new bulb in. New bulb is pushed in. It doesn't matter which way you put it in. Either way works. No orientation specified. Push it in until it snaps, and then let's go make sure it works before we put it all back together. And now we have a flashing success. So we'll go ahead and put this back in, give it a quarter turn, and then put it all back together, hand tight, no torque required on any of these nuts or bolts, and we're good to go. Well, I guess it wasn't me tripping, it was just that burned out light bulb. I hope this short video was useful and helpful to some folks looking to figure out how to replace that bulb. And it's not that hard of a job, it doesn't take very long, and I'll put a link in the description for the light bulbs that I've been using for this one. If you like what you're seeing, if you want to support the channel, subscribe and see all the great projects I've been working on and have still yet ahead to do. And if you want to support even further, you can check out the link to buymeacoffee.com and help me out with a coffee or some funding for some car parts. But either way, thanks for watching. Have a good one, and we'll see you next time.